Hey guys, Mubarak here. Thanks for checking out this course. In this course, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get started Bitcoin trading step by step, alright? We're going to run through the entire A to Z of what cryptocurrencies are, what the blockchain is, what is Bitcoin, what are the other altcoins, all the terminology you must have heard, and regardless of whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced trader, if you've been buying Bitcoin for years or if you just got into it yesterday, I'm going to teach you guys all the steps required and all the processes in order to be a successful Bitcoin trader or crypto trader. Alright, so we're going to cover all the beginning aspects of it, so if you already have some experience in it, feel free to skip around. But really, I would recommend going through the videos step by step to really understand where we're coming from and what we're looking at. In the course, I'm also going to be going over the different exchanges to use, and really my goal is to keep this as a live, up-to-date course so that regardless of the market going on and the different regulations and any changes or any things that are really important to look at, that'll be updated within the course too. So if you've heard of cryptocurrency, you know people around you are making money with it, and you want to get started Bitcoin trading, this is the right course for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and this course, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get started.